Hey everyone, deleted your social media account by accident or had a sudden change of heart? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Before we dive in, make sure to check the description to connect with an expert who can guide you step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about Facebook. If you've deleted your account, you have 30 days to recover it. Log back in using your credentials and click on the Cancel Deletion button. Easy, right? Next up, Instagram. Similar to Facebook, Instagram gives you a 30-day grace period. Just log back in and confirm you want to reactivate your account. But remember, if you only deactivated it, you can log in anytime to restore it. Now, let's move on to Twitter. Twitter allows 30 days to reactivate your account. Simply log in with your username and password, and you're back in action. If you're beyond the grace period, unfortunately, there's no way to restore it. How about Snapchat? You have 30 days here too. Log in with your username and password, and Snapchat will automatically reactivate your account. Quick tip, make sure to remember your credentials. Lastly, TikTok. TikTok also offers a 30-day window. Log in and your account will be reactivated. If you're past that, you'll need to create a new account. So, there you have it. Recovering your deleted social media account is simpler than you think. If you need more personalized help, don't forget to check the description to connect with an expert. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.